Plant family. 822 genera in Poaceae. My fascination with Poaceae, the grass family. As a plant enthusiast, I've always been captivated by the diversity and ubiquity of the Poaceae family, commonly known as grasses. From the vast grasslands that sustain countless herbivores to the humble lawn in your backyard, grasses play a vital role in our ecosystems and daily lives. In this article, I'll share my fascination with this remarkable plant family, exploring its characteristics, ecological importance, and some of its most notable members. The characteristics of Poaceae. Grasses are flowering plants, but their flowers are often inconspicuous and wind-pollinated. They are characterized by their hollow stems, called culms, and their long, narrow leaves with parallel venation. The fruit of a grass is a caryopsis, commonly known as a grain, which is a dry, single-seeded fruit where the seed coat is fused to the pericarp. This unique fruit structure is one of the defining features of the Poaceae family. Ecological importance of grasses. Grasses are the foundation of many terrestrial ecosystems, providing food and shelter for a wide range of animals. They are the primary food source for grazing animals like cattle, sheep, and bison, as well as for many insects and birds. Grasslands also play a crucial role in soil conservation, preventing erosion and promoting water infiltration. The Poaceae family is incredibly diverse, comprising over 12,000 species in approximately 822 genera. Here are some of the most notable genera and their common representatives. Oryza. This genus includes the cultivated rice species, Oryza sativa, which is a staple food for billions of people worldwide. 19 species in genus Oryza. Triticum. This genus encompasses wheat species, such as Triticum aestivum, bread wheat, which is used to produce flour for bread, pasta, and other baked goods. 6 species in genus Triticum. Z. The sole member of this genus is Z. maize, commonly known as maize or corn. It's a versatile crop used for food, animal feed, and biofuel production. 7 species in genus Z. Avena. This genus includes oats, such as Avena sativa, which are consumed as oatmeal or used in livestock feed. 33 species in genus Avena. Hordeum. This genus comprises barley species, like Hordeum vulgar, which is used for brewing beer, making malt, and animal feed. Saccharum. This genus includes sugarcane, Saccharum officinarum, which is the primary source of sugar worldwide. 16 species in genus Saccharum. Bambusa. This genus represents a group of woody bamboos, which are used for construction, furniture, and various other purposes. 156 species in genus Bambusa. Poa. This genus includes Kentucky bluegrass, Poa pratensis, which is a popular lawn grass in temperate regions. 606 species in genus Poa. Festica. This genus comprises fescue grasses, such as Festica arundinacea, tall fescue, which are used for lawns, pastures, and erosion control. 680 species in genus Festica. See full list at monsteraholic.com. Conclusion. The Poaceae family is a testament to the beauty and adaptability of the plant kingdom. From providing sustenance to billions to shaping our landscapes, grasses play an indispensable role in our world. As I continue to explore the botanical world, I'm constantly reminded of the remarkable diversity and ecological significance of this extraordinary plant family. Note, the list of genera mentioned above is not exhaustive, and there are many other fascinating members of the Poaceae family worth exploring.